Welcome to a journey into the world of high-performance web applications. Today, we uncover the secrets behind crafting experiences that feel seamless and lightning fast. What sets apart frustrating delays from instant gratification? Let's dive in. Instantly capture attention. Delve into core principles that shape user experiences. Avoid sluggishness, aim for snappy interactions. Embrace clarity and precision. Say goodbye to redundancy. Let's embark on this quest for speed and smoothness together. In the fast-paced digital realm, every second matters. Did you know that over half of mobile users will ditch a site if it takes more than 3 seconds to load? Performance isn't just a tech issue, it's the key to user satisfaction, engagement, and success. When your app responds instantly, delivers content seamlessly, and never lags, users feel empowered and trust your product. They keep coming back for more. Do you ever wonder what separates average performance from exceptional speed and efficiency? Meet the 4 pillars of performance. Profiling, identifying and tackling bottlenecks head-on. Lazy loading, serving up just what's needed, precisely when it's needed. Memory management, smartly using resources without a hint of waste. Smooth rendering, crafting silky smooth animations at a flawless 60 frames per second. Together, these pillars lay the groundwork for optimizing performance. Master them, and watch as your creations become beloved experiences for users everywhere. Ever wondered how to unravel the mystery slowing down your code? Enter profiling. Think of it as your code detective, uncovering where your application is lagging. By measuring and analyzing performance, profiling equips you with the insights needed to optimize efficiently. Is it a sluggish database query, a hefty calculation, or a bloated image causing the bottleneck? Profiling holds the key. Identify the culprits, take action, and watch your app soar. Ever wondered how to peek under the hood of your web applications? Enter the world of browser dev tools. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, they've got the goods. Performance timelines, memory snapshots, network waterfalls, all revealing the inner workings of your site. Free, powerful, and absolutely crucial for any web developer worth their salt. Mastering these tools isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. So, dive in, dissect, and elevate your web game. Ever wondered how to unlock hidden performance bottlenecks in your application? Let's dive into deciphering a performance profile. Spot those lingering tasks dragging down your system by identifying the slowest operations. Those long bars in the timeline are your key suspects. Next, prioritize tackling blocking operations that hinder overall efficiency. And remember, always measure before and after optimization to ensure your efforts make a tangible difference. It's all about precision and strategy in the quest for optimal performance. Imagine a news website that loads everything up front: every article, every image, every video. Your browser struggles to keep up, grinding to a halt. This eager loading approach is inefficient. Enter lazy loading, the art of loading less until needed. Images load as you scroll, articles appear at the bottom, features activate with a click. Efficiency meets user experience. Embrace lazy loading for a smoother, faster browsing experience. Ever wondered how websites load images so quickly? Lazy loading in action. Picture this: eager loading, slow initial load, all 20 images at once. Now, lazy loading, fast initial load, only 3 visible, the rest sneak in. See the difference? Eager loading delays interaction, while lazy loading keeps users engaged from the start, adding content seamlessly. Imagine a website as a chef: eager loading serves a full-course meal before you can take a bite, while lazy loading brings each dish just as you're ready for it. So, why make users wait when you can serve up a delightful experience right away? Are your web pages loading sluggishly? It's time to implement lazy loading techniques for a faster, more efficient user experience. Start by optimizing images and media with the loading equals lazy attribute to let modern browsers handle the heavy lifting. When it comes to JavaScript code, break it into smaller chunks and employ dynamic imports for on-demand feature loading. For single-page applications, load route-specific code only as users navigate to them. Remember, tackling images first can yield significant improvements with minimal effort. Streamline your website's performance with these smart strategies for lazy loading. In the intricate world of web applications, memory management is a critical factor that directly impacts performance. Picture memory as your application's bustling workspace, where every element, from variables to images, claims its share. Unlike desktop counterparts, web apps must tread lightly on memory usage, especially on resource-constrained mobile devices. Neglecting memory can trigger two major headaches: memory leaks, gradually sapping resources until the browser crashes, and memory bloat, needlessly hogging memory and causing system sluggishness. To optimize your app's efficiency, mastering memory management is key. Keep memory lean, and your app will run mean. Are memory leaks haunting your applications, lurking in the shadows of forgotten event listeners, uncancelled timers, and pesky circular references? These problems keep objects alive indefinitely, leading to memory bloat. Whether it's oversized images, uncompressed data, or duplicated objects, unnecessary memory consumption can cripple performance. And let's not forget the aftermath of poor cleanup: lingering resources, dangling subscriptions, and cached objects cluttering the system. To keep your codebase lean and mean, it's crucial to release these ties when components unmount or pages transition. Don't let memory mishaps slow you down. Tidy up, trim the excess, and watch your application soar. Are you leaving a digital mess behind you? Remember, good memory management means cleaning up after yourself. Remove event listeners, cancel timers, and close connections promptly. Consider using weak references like weak maps and weak sets to allow unused objects to be garbage collected. Keep cache sizes in check by implementing eviction strategies to prevent unbounded growth. Stay organized and efficient in your coding practices. Remember, a tidy codebase leads to smoother performance. Ever wonder why smooth motion in your browser is crucial? It's all about hitting that 60 frames per second goal. With just 16.67 milliseconds per frame, the pressure is on for your browser to keep up, calculating changes, updating layouts, painting pixels, and displaying the result. When JavaScript or rendering takes longer, frames are dropped, leading to stuttering, jank, and lag. The user experience suffers, feeling broken and unresponsive. Remember, every millisecond counts in delivering a seamless online experience. Ever wonder what happens behind the scenes when a web page loads? Let's peel back the curtain and explore the browser rendering pipeline. First up, JavaScript swoops in, altering the DOM and styles with your code. Then, the browser dives into style calculation, deciphering which CSS rules apply where. Next, layout comes into play, meticulously determining the size and position of each element. As the picture starts to form, Paint fills in the pixels for text, colors, images, and borders. Finally, in a grand finale, Composite merges all the layers, unveiling the stunning final result. Each step in this intricate dance is crucial for your online experience. Remember, from JavaScript's dance to Composite's grand finale, every pixel counts in the browser rendering pipeline. Ever wonder what sets off those costly reflows and repaints in web design? Reflows are a heavyweight, recalculating positions for elements like width, height, and font changes. They're a no-go during animations. On the other hand, repaints are lighter, focusing on visual properties such as colors and shadows. They're quicker but still come with a price tag. Remember, avoid reflows for smoother animations. Ultimately, understanding these triggers can lead to more efficient web development practices. Want to ensure smooth rendering on your web page? Here are some techniques to optimize performance. Firstly, leverage CSS transforms and opacity for GPU-accelerated animations without causing reflows. Batch your DOM changes together to minimize reflows. Use Request Animation Frame to sync visual updates with the browser's refresh cycle. Lastly, simplify complex layouts by avoiding deeply nested DOM structures and complex CSS selectors. Remember, optimizing rendering is key to a seamless user experience. From sluggish to seamless, witness the transformation. Rethinking animations for peak performance. Ditch the lag with optimized techniques. Say goodbye to stuttering, hello to silkiness. Elevate your visuals with a smooth 60 frames per second experience. Innovate your approach for a buttery smooth outcome. Efficiency through transformation, from janky to jaw-dropping. In our Performance Toolkit, we focus on key strategies for optimizing your web performance. Start by profiling first to identify bottlenecks using browser DevTools. Then, load lazily to engage users quickly and defer non-critical resources. Remember to manage memory effectively by cleaning up listeners and timers to avoid leaks and bloat. Lastly, ensure smooth rendering at 60 frames per second by using transforms and opacity for DOM changes. By implementing these techniques, you can enhance user experience and site performance. Welcome to quiz time. Let's test your performance knowledge. Question 1. To identify the function in your code that's taking the most time to execute, you would use a profiling tool. Question 2. True or false, you should not load all images on a page immediately, especially if they're below the fold. Question 3. Forgetting to remove an event listener after a component is destroyed can lead to memory leaks. Question 4. Transform and opacity are CSS properties you can animate without triggering expensive reflows. Question 5. To ensure smooth animations, aim for a frame rate of 60 frames per second. In the world of performance optimization, attention to detail is key. Remember, efficient coding leads to smoother user experiences. Build fast. Build smooth. Build user experiences that delight. Performance isn't a feature you add at the end, it's a mindset you adopt from day one. Every decision you make affects how fast and smooth your application feels. Profile regularly. Load wisely. Manage memory carefully. Render efficiently. Your users will notice. They'll stay longer. They'll come back more often. They'll recommend your product. Because in the end, performance is user experience. Speed is the ultimate feature. The fastest experience is the one that wins. Your user satisfaction hinges on the speed and efficiency of your application. Craft each element with care, and watch your user base grow. Remember, in today's digital landscape, performance is key.